Hi guys, it's your girl Brittany, aka B Nicole with the Crafting Spot. Unlike many people, I chose not to put my designs in the Silhouette library. For today's tutorial, I'll show you how I organize my designs and how easy it is to open them in Silhouette Studio. So let's dive in. Instead of placing my designs in the Silhouette library, I chose to organize them a little bit differently. Since the Silhouette software allows me to run multiple machines from one computer with Business Edition, I don't need to access the designs on multiple computers. You see that I have them broken down into categories. You can see I have animals, cartoons, monogram frames, flourishes, whatever I need to easily identify what I could be looking for later. That's how they're divided into each of these folders. Once you click on a folder, it will take you to subfolders or files that match that category. So under Awareness and Causes, you can see these files. Silhouette offers a mini preview, but on my MacBook, I'm able to change the way the icons show up and I can see the designs larger. And we'll go back and take a look at another folder and see that they're done the same way. Let's do the holiday folder. You'll see in this folder, all the holiday designs are organized the same way. Valentine's Day, Christmas, Easter, whatever will fall under that category is listed in this folder for me to access whenever I need it. Now we've got them organized, let's try to open one. To open the files is really simple. In Silhouette Studio, you'll click File and then Open. This will bring up the same folders that we saw previously once you go to the location. Click the file that you want to open and then click the Open in the bottom right hand corner. For this video, I'll use this Proud Navy Mom file. You'll notice that once I open it, it opens into a new window instead of the existing window that we already had. Now let's say you want to add another element to this design but want to open it in the same window. Go to the top, click File, then Merge, and select your design. Now I'll use these dog tags and you'll notice that it opens in the existing window instead of opening by itself. That's how you can take two existing designs and merge them together. See? It's simple. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. As always, thank you for joining us in the Crafting Spot and thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and share this video with a friend. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Be sure to join us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok, and follow us on Clubhouse. I'll post a link in the description below. It's your girl B Nicole signing off. Stay crafty.